Tech Channel. Hi friends, Nursing Nisi Tech Channel. So in this video, I'm going to, you can see, I'm going to show you this. I upgraded my 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker into this. You can see neatly I packed the speakers inside and the battery and the system. Here you can see we can charge our phone. You can see we can charge our phone. This was the charging pin for this battery, and if we plug here, the battery will charge. I kept this plug because every time if we pull out and push, the pin will loosen and the pin will broke, friends. Uh, that's why I keep this pin. You can see we can hear speaker box, friends. In this, two speakers are there. These two speakers are there, and these are the switches. This is the on off switch, and this is the volume up switch, friends. If we like this, the volume will increase. If you stop, the volume will cut, like that, friends. And you can see this was the on button.
Welcome to Templars Music World. Bluetooth mode.
You can see in the last video I made the 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker, but it is not much neat. So I packed in this full my idea in this box. You can see two speakers and one battery and one power band module. Like that I packed in this. You can see switches like that. If we on this, the volume will increase. If we have this, the volume will stable, like that. You can see like that I made this. How I made this in the next clip, I will show you how I made this, friends. In the next clip, you can see this is upgraded, friends, from Bluetooth 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker. You can see neatly I made this. You can see, friends, I removed my old Bluetooth speaker that we made by our own. You can see I removed this lid, all screws. Inside, two speakers are there, friends. These are the main speakers, two speakers, and this is the main board, circuit board, friends. This is, you can see there's three pins are there for battery and speakers. You can see we have to remove all, friends. I'm using a Panasonic, Panasonic, not Target sound bar. This is working, friends. This sound bar is working. This sound bar is working, friends. You can see, and in this sound bar, two speakers are there. You can see two speakers. This was the lid of that speaker Target. You can see like that. And we have to keep here the connections and the motherboard. You can see motherboard in this here, and the port we had connected to this. If you don't see the video how I connected this, how I made 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker, I will give the link in description. You can see there how I made 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker that charges our mobile phone also. You can see here we can keep the pin and we can charge. This is upgraded, friends. Now I am going to upgrade this Bluetooth speaker to in this for neatness and very clean and neatness. This is very easy and simple, friends. You can do it at home. You can see. So you can see, friends, this was the circuit board that I soldered. I removed the switches, friends. I removed from this blade. Using this blade, I removed the switch. I need only two switches, friends, on and off switch, on and off switch, and sound volume increase switch. No need of volume decrease switch, because we can decrease in our phone, friends, volume. So I soldered like this. You can see two points are there. You can see two wires I soldered. This was the circuit board, and these are the switches, friends, that I will use for this one and two. I'm using one bell switch, friends, to on this like that bell switch, on and off. If you press like this, it will on, and if you press like this, it will off, friends, like that. And sound increasing this only, friends. You can see like that. If it is like that, the sound will increase. If you off, the sound will stable, like that I made. And I put the power bank module here, friends. I kept some M seal. You can see this was the power bank module. Like that I cutted back, and I kept this power bank module, and this was the circuit board. We have to fix the speakers, friends, that you can see two speakers we have to fix to the board, like that. You can see like that. So you can see, friends, I connected all the connections. You can see I added a plastic board like this is, because any shortage is there. If we don't add, the board will short, any wire can damage it. So I added for safety plastic case. You can see, and these are the switches. You can see one is normal switch and another is bell switch. Like that I added, friends. And you can see our system, main system, friends. You can see you can charge here the mobile phone, and this is the press button, and these are the point lights. This is the charging cable, friends. These are the battery wires. I want to keep the battery here like this. I want to keep the battery. This is 11,000 mAh battery, friends. You can see in the previous video I used this battery making 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker. I used this battery. That battery only I am using here. So you can see, friends, now I'm going to test this sound bar. You can see that I made. You can see this is the on button.
Welcome to Templus Music World. Bluetooth mode.
Now I'm going to on in my phone Bluetooth. You can see it was connected, and I'm increasing the sound. It's enough. So now I'm going to play my video, friends. You can see this old Bluetooth speaker. I remodeled this. You can see in this Bluetooth speaker, the speakers and the jogs are, these jogs are working. Not there any battery in this Bluetooth speaker, friends. This is very interesting to do, means remodeling. So I take a power bank battery, friends, 11,000 mAh power bank battery you can see here down. And this was the power bank module, friends, board power bank module. This is a 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker, friends, because we can charge our phone also. You can see I plugged in the cable, it was charging. This speaker easily come 5 days, friends. 5 days, this is guarantee. You can see, friends, the shopping, friends. You can see I played my yesterday video, friends, how to make Bluetooth speaker that charges our phone, that I made. You can see how to make a Bluetooth speaker that charges our mobile phone. Okay, this was the video, friends. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please share this video, friends, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment. Bye, friends.
That little mouse, cause I'm an albatross.